Take pictures of the broken window too.
What, the one out there on the garage?
What?
That crack in the garage, or which one?
Crack in the garage?
Just that white thing, the white plexiglass thing or whatever it is. Okay. That's our glass, and it's breaking from the hail.
You get it?
Yeah.
So we can give it to the insurance company if they come by?
Well, here's the damage report. Spiders all the way up to the corner. That's the size of the hail. Alright, now here's a huge one. Look at that. That thing is about a little bit smaller than my fist. Okay, this is the biggest one yet. Here's the other ones. That's about the size of my hand. At least some of these are huge.
It's crystallized.
Yes,
This is amazing.
And you realize
Look at this thing.
the wind has to keep that thing going up and up and up and up.
Huge.